Hello, everyone. Welcome to my interactive personal presentation. My name is Wilson Andre Piragua Garcia. It's a pleasure to be here. I am from Colombia, especially Cali, from its capital city, Bogota. I was born in Bogota on November 10, 1997. It's a city I know and love. Currently, I live right here in Bogota, specifically in the Rafael Uribe Uribe locality, in the Diana Turbay neighborhood. It's my home. I am currently 27 years old. If you need to reach me, my telephone number is 304-210-4715. Regarding my relationship status, I am single, but I have a girlfriend. We've been together for 2 years. Academically, I am a student at Sena, and I am also pursuing system engineering at Uniminuto University. In terms of work, I currently work as a motorcycle driver. Moving on to my preference, I must say I don't like curious. I absolutely love pizza. It's one of my go-to comfort foods. Finally, I'd like to share a few short phrases that resonate with me, reflecting my daily outlook. Every day is a new chance to grow. Happiness lies in appreciating simplicity. With strength and faith, I overcome. Thank you for your attention.